3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's almost deep. I need to put my hand to take out this. Samsung S20 FE is the most perfect mobiles and favorite mobiles for many of the users, including me. It is having the best camera, best gaming performance, better battery life, fast charging support, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging support, and many more. There are many more tests to do with this mobile, and I will post each and every test in separate video for your convenience. See, actually I thought like it is not only helpful for the new upcoming users but also for existing users to check this mobile. For this video I am testing whether this mobile is waterproof or not. On the paper, this mobile is IP68 water and dust resistant. Let's find out in real day scenario. Before that, I'll tell two things. I'm doing this test in two different ways. Number one is dropping this mobile in 60 liters of water bucket. And number two is washing this mobile directly under running tap water. Let's see what would be the results. Now I'm here at my washroom and I'll drop this mobile into this bucket. Oh my god, I don't know what happens next. I don't have money either to buy a new mobile. I don't know what would happen next. I'm really scared. I don't have money either to buy this mobile. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's almost deep. I need to put my hand to take out this. Actually, you think that I keep my mobile in the water for some time and then take off from that. See, in real life scenario, we don't do like that. If our mobile is fallen accidentally, we quickly react and try to clean it as faster as we can. This is what exactly I'm doing right now. After taking out from the water, it's showing a warning notification that the charging port is filled with water. If I charge this mobile right now like this, the entire charging board will be damaged. So I need to clean now. So now the second test. Now I'm going to washing this mobile under running tap water. Do note that I'm not using any gel or any detergent to wash this mobile. I'm just cleaning this mobile with clean water. Let's go and make a quick bath to this baby beast. Oh my god, this water is so cool. Actually, present in my location, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, that too in hot summer days. Huge shout out to Bangalore climate. I have been washing this mobile for more than 80 seconds now. Let's see whether we get the same warning notification like that before we got. I think it comes because I'm washing it with water. So here it is. I completed two tests with this now, and let's check whether it works or not. Oh my god, it's working. Okay, this mobile is survived for my two testings. So now it's officially verified by techbunny that this Samsung S20 FE 5G is waterproof. Comment below which type of videos do you want to watch in future. If you are enjoyed while watching this video from first to last, then a subscribe from you is really appreciate me. And also do watch these videos if you are free and if any of the thumbnail is eye-catching for you. As usual, my name is Rajashekar and you're watching techbunny, and I will catch you in the next one.